What you gonna say then, huh? What you gonna say to me? You know I love you. Yeah. Tell me all about it. What you thinking anyway, huh? Go on, you can tell it to the puppet. You're awfully cute. Yes, you are. Yeah. And then what happened? Go on, you can tell me. Go on, it's not that bad when you talk about it, is it? Huh? Oh. Yeah. Oh, really? What were you trying to say then? Oh. You poor little boy. No one listens to you. You can talk to me. I love you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wanna give me a hug? Oh. Oh. Thanks. That felt good for me too. You're an awfully sweet kid. Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. I know what you mean. Tell Teddy all about it. Huh? Yeah. That mean old Papa? Oh, I know what you mean. Yeah. They change your diaper while you're crying. Oh, I hate that. Yeah. They make you sleep all alone in the dark. Oh, really? Gosh, you're awfully cute though. Yeah. You see, you feel better already, don't you? Yeah. Oh, you know I love you. Yeah. One more hug. Can I have a hug, please? Oh, okay, I'll wait. Can I have a hug now? Really? Oh, he's making a move, Gilbert. Silly Papa. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.